All right, flying plunger. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is a big rocket out there.
Tom and Ron have great balls of fire. 3,800. He's only expecting 500 feet though, so.
It's gonna be like a hop.
All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The spin. Oh, perfect.
Time parachuting.
Come on, stick the landing now. Oh, close.
Almost as bad, I think.
Here it is. This is crazy. I try to get close to the motors on the trees.
Something.
L something.
An L something. I can't remember. I loaded it last night, and that was a long time ago. For some
These are going up.
my age.
Oh my goodness! We got the Christmas tree.
Got continuity here, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Damn! Here we are.
A G90EX motor. You ready, Paul? Waiting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A rocket built by Santa Claus, straight down from the North Pole. It's got a little elfin magic on it. We're expecting maybe 20 feet, we'll go with 30, and hopefully at least 6 loops. So it's got an L850, and let's see what she does. It's a long burn motor.
This is very much a heads-up flight.
Yeah, very heads up.
That's a lot of force for shoving something down the chimney.
The Christmas tree in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ain't no way. I guess we're sacrificing the tree now.
Okay.
Alright, we got Nolan here. He's got
This is a 3-stage rocket. I made it to just eject the motor without any tube or anything. It's using 3 E12s, and I hope it doesn't char the tube. Otherwise, the fins will fall off.
Wow. This is gonna be exciting. I'm glad you explained it because I couldn't.
This is 3 E12 stacked, so best of luck. We're gonna launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
That's 2, right?
Oh, there it goes. Reverse direction. Reverse course.
Was there?
Whoa.
Did you say
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Very straight.
E? Edward.
Wow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Interesting.
But it might stay safer.
That was a good spot.
Oh, it's got an invisible parachute.
But it's real bright white.
Oh, it's got a white parachute.
Invisible parachute.
That's smart. Yep.
That was an advantageous turn to the left.
Early ejection.
Straight up.
Oh, right on time.
Shoots out. Just coming right at me.
Nice flight, Tom.
Stay out of the tree, please.
No, you're good.
Go, 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 go.
You're way good.
No, you're not.
You're good.
Oh, you just barely cleared it.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Da,
Jackson has a rocket called Plungy, and this is a plunger that is powered. We'll buy an F-15 motor, but not. All right, flying plunger. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Did we plug it in?
Oh, there you go. Yeah, what do you think about it?
Huh. Look at it going down.
Have you on the bottom?
Right.
Well, that's not plugged anymore.
We're going up today to fly Plungy.
It's hard to see out there, but it is the flying plunger.
Oh. Whoa.
That's cool.
That's cool.
That was great.
Don't blink.
This rocket looks like a corn
this
stalk.
Has a nice orange streamer though, so hopefully we'll find that. Okay. It's got a clear sky.
This is
So-
no lens again.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going.
Wow.
Oh.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Perfect timing.
All
dude.
right. It's like in line with that box, kinda. Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew Code Red.
Cool.
Ah.
Smoky Sam, huh?
Fast Jack.
Okay. That's Aerotech equivalent.